happy today, we will not be happy tomorrow. And then you say that it takes time. It took 10 years.
Yeah.
So how is it going together? Because
You are in a situation where I was before 10 years, and I am in a situation after 10 years. So when I am speaking something from my place, that you should be here now, you should be, if you are not happy now, then you cannot be happy any time. With my own understanding, I am speaking from that 50th floor. I am asking you to start somewhere, and I am giving you the address of the door where you can enter and come to the 50th floor. This is the door, key. To be here now and to make yourself understand that if you are not happy now, you are not going to be happy anytime, is the beginning. Because this is where the mind plays the game. Mind only survives if there is tomorrow or next moment. To be here now means what? It is not a kind of practice that you have to do, but you have to wake up to that what is now. And I am explaining that what is that now. Now is the sensation. Life is flowing now, but you cannot see life. Life is creating some kind of vibrations, but you cannot see the vibration, but you can feel the vibration through your senses. So the now is creating a reaction now as the sensation to your senses. So whatever the sensation happens or whatever activates your sensation, just be available to now. That is to be now. Now if nice beautiful sun setting, the color is activating this sensation here. So I have to be now. So what is the now? To be available to the sensation and to be available to that what is creating the sensation. So I am now. You understand? So this is now, to be now. Now when you are now, you are cut off from the whole mind game with going into the past or thinking of something which I have to do, nothing. You are just there. This is the trick. To be here now means...
But it takes time.
Definitely it takes time, but at least it has to begin somewhere. It has to begin somewhere. Then leave it to the existence or life, how long you remain in that flow of now. I will tell you now, see, this is the sunset. You will be seeing that. But you will be available to the sun and to your sensation for a moment, and then your mind goes back again to something else. So again and again, this is a part of practice. But this is the beginning somewhere. If you are not happy now, you are not going to be happy tomorrow. That is what I say. And this is the truth. If you are unhappy now, then you have to find out why I am unhappy now. When I am saying that if you are not happy now, that means you are unhappy now. So you have to make yourself available to that unhappiness, and that demands your acceptance of the unhappiness. If you are available to the unhappiness now, what is happening, then you are cut off from the whole search of finding out how can I be happy, which creates a future. So when I am saying that, when I am waking you up to that point that look now, if you are not happy, that means if you cannot find the cause of your unhappiness now, then don't think that you are going to be happy any day. You understand what I am saying? So this is the beginning. To search for the cause of my unhappiness is the beginning to get to your natural state of happiness. But your searching for the happiness without looking to the unhappiness will not take you anywhere. Will not take you anywhere. And this is the mind's game. And then you go on with a hope that one day I will find the happiness. But the unhappiness continues. This is where I want to wake you up to this point, that remind you that look, this is the point where you have to look. You have to be very much awake and see. You must be very much concerned about it, that what should be the cause of my unhappiness now. So So this is the devices that I'm just trying to give you, and indirectly trying to hammer you somewhere.
And the same goes for happiness. You have to examine why you're happy.
That point you don't ask, because happiness is your own state. But if it is somewhere, the absence of unhappiness that you think is happiness, then you have to see.
You have to,
That you have to see whether it is a real happiness or it is just the mind is capable creating an absence of unhappiness. You see, that is possible. But this kind of, because even with your happy state, there is an unhappy feel there. You are not happy totally. You see, how can I be happy? Mind even questions, you know. If you really look to that point, you are totally, never you are totally happy.
are you? Are you?
How can I show it to you?
This moment of seeing, for instance, such a beautiful sunset is like a wow. And then our mind also going away to the next point seems to show that I'm not happy. Or immediately I go into unhappiness. This wow is a happiness and is a full being here and now. But this going away shows, no, I'm not happy. Or is it because I want to grasp this moment of happiness, to continue it?
Happiness comes when you have no desire to be happy. When you go to the beach and look to the sunset, you don't go with a desire to be happy. When you go with a desire to be happy, you will never be happy. It just comes as you are describing as wow. It's spontaneous reaction, a spontaneous feel. That is the real happiness. That moment you are not even feeling the happiness, because you are not separate from the happiness. There is no experience of happiness. That is why I was telling her that absence of unhappiness can be an experience of happiness. In that experience of happiness, you are never totally happy. But here you are totally into the state which is a happy state, where there is no experiencer separate from the experience. It suddenly comes as a spontaneous wow. But that wow, you don't say that, then afterwards you just define it that I was very happy to see the sunset. But at that moment when wow came, it was not a state of unhappiness. Also it was not an experience of happiness. It was something different, beyond both. It was connecting somewhere to your own inner self, where suddenly something came as an overflowing of that emotion, overflowing of that feel, that comes as if like that. We are not even aware of that moment when you are totally connected. When you are totally connected, it just overflows. Afterwards you define, the mind defines that I was very happy. Definition of mind for the happiness, that at that moment there was no unhappiness. That means I was happy. In reference to the unhappiness, at that moment there was no unhappiness. That means I was happy. That is why mind again demands and desires for going next day evening to go to the beach and watch the sunset and wait for that wow to come. It never comes. Sun sets and you are just same.